Hi everybody, this is Dr. Hinchelwood at Fraum Health. I wanted to take a moment to talk about the importance of mindset and stress when our body is trying to heal itself and maintain optimal function, okay? You know, here's a funny thing. When I was growing up, we were always taught there's no such thing as a brain-body connection. I will tell you that that is absolutely not true. There's in fact a giant connection between the brain and the rest of the body, and it goes from about here to here, okay? So if we want our body to heal well and to be the best it can be, our mindset matters. It matters 100%. When you have things like chronic mood disorders, chronic stress, chronic anxiety that is really plaguing you over time, that really does manifest in the body and show up in ways that can really impact our physical health. So if this is something you're worried about and you're looking for a solution that involves both your mind and your body, please call Fraum Health so we can get you started on the path to healing today. Look forward to taking care of you. Bye.